Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create text animation. Select ActionScript 2.0 and here first I want to change the document property, changing background color. I want to select any dark color, black. It's perfect color for me. Now let's select text tool, static text and anti-alias for animation. Okay, changing color, yeah, this is it. And format, align center, single line, and everything is fine. And here I am setting size of 200. Let me create it here. Okay, Java, select it and okay. Now select frame number 20, right click, insert keyframe and create classic tween. Okay, and on 20th frame I want to change the height and width of this. It means almost 0. Okay, it's 1.00, so here it is. Okay, now let's create new layer, or you can create also here also, but I want to create new layer and key name it to HTML. Insert keyframe here and again text tool. You can change color if you want, but I don't want to change color. Okay, let's write HTML. Select it and reposition it. Now I want a fade out effect. Go to frame number 40, right click and insert keyframe and select create classic tween. Okay, on frame number 40 I want to change the property of this. Click here and change the effect from here alpha. Okay, this should be 0. Okay, this is fading effect. Okay, look at this. Okay, create new layer and write here CSS. Insert keyframe, select text tool and write here CSS. Selection tool, reposition it. Okay, and on 60 frame right click and insert keyframe. Right click here and create classic tween. On last frame change the property here. I want to choose tint effect. Okay, you can also change anything. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so these are the text effects. Let's taste the movie. Go to control, taste movie and taste. Okay, this is it.